We're going to talk about using the multiplication rule. And one way you can use this multiplication rule is when we talk about tennis. And tennis has what's called a double fault. A double fault means on the first serve, the ball doesn't go where it's supposed to go, so you have a fault. On the second serve, he faults again. Now this rarely happens to do it twice in a row, but the only way to double fault is that you have to fault on the first serve. So let's talk about this problem here. Roger Federer, 2006 men's champion in Wimbledon tennis. He made 56% of his first serves. Okay, we're talking about double faults. We're not talking about how many he made. The only thing that talks about if he makes 56%, we can come up with the second one, which he faulted 44% of the time. So the probability that he faults on the first serve is 44% of the time. Next one. Given that he made a fault on the first serve, which he has to, because the only way to double fault is to fault on the first serve. So the probability that he faults on the second serve, given that he's faulted on the first serve, because he has to, so this one has to go second, is 0.02. Now, to figure out the double faults, we're looking for A and B. And to get there, we get the probability of A given B times the probability of B. Well, A given B is 0.02. The probability of B is the second one that happens, which is given right here at 0.44. When I multiply those two together, I get 0.0088. So truly what I did was I multiplied these two that dealt with the double fault piece.